Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I will give you tutorial about swap and come on, we started. First we must create new and then create standard millimeter IPT and click create. Yes, now I will give you an example how to use swap in the Autodesk Inventor. First I will start sketch at XC plane and then I will create some line, maybe a random line, right, up and then right, bottom and then left, enough. And then we finish sketch. Now we will create plane at the beginning of the line. We can click plane and then click the point at the peak of this line and then set some perpendicular plane. Yeah, this is this is the perpendicular plane. Yes, and then we click the plane and create sketch. Now first I will give you an example with a rectangle shape. Set the dimension maybe 3 millimeter and 3 millimeter and then finish sketch. Now we go to swap. We click the profile and then we click the path. This is the path and okay. Yes, so the function of the swap is we can build a kind of shape, maybe like a rectangle or like a circle, and then we make this shape to follow the path that we made, like this. And then now I will give you another example. Maybe, then I will create sketch again. Now I will create with arc curve maybe. I could draw a random shape here. And then finish. Now we must create an perpendicular plane at the beginning of the path. Well, here. Nah, is it? Now we click the plane and then create sketch. Maybe I will use a circle shape for this path. Sorry. and then we click swap again, then we click the path. Yeah, and then okay. So this is the function of the swap. Maybe if you wanna put some kind of piping or some kinds like wire or frame, you can use swap for make more efficient time. We can work faster. Then we use an extrude. Maybe I will give one of example again. Now I will show the swap but the output is cut. I still use this path. I make visible and then I will create sketch in this plan. Now I will make a hole inside this geometry. I will create swap again. Now I will select the path. Wait. Yeah, and then I will click the output is cut. Then okay. Yeah, that's it. We have an hole inside this creature and we made it with one step. So that's all tutorial for today. I hope this tutorial can solve your problem, especially using Autodesk Inventor Professional 2020. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment my channel. Thank you.